guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out some no glue slime recipes with these ingredients here. So I have some shampoo, some dish soap, some baking soda, and some cornstarch. Now I only have a little bit of cornstarch, so I do have to be careful with how much I use. But yeah, let's get started. I'm going to move out the baking soda and dish soap, and we're going to be doing some cornstarch and shampoo. So I don't know if I should, what I should do, because I don't really have, a mixing bowl. So I might just kind of, throw it onto the table. Now, I don't know if you guys know her, but YouTuber Erin Dagan, I know she hates the feeling of cornstarch, and a lot of other people do too, but I honestly really like it. But yeah, I'm gonna pour in some shampoo. Hopefully I don't add too much, but yeah. Now, I couldn't really do many others no glue slime recipes because I didn't really have the ingredients to make them. So I just chose the two that I actually had the ingredients of. Okay, mixing this slime up. Okay, hopefully this actually comes off my hands, and I should have rolled up my sleeves before doing this. Okay, I think I'm gonna add some more shampoo. I swear if I add too much shampoo, that's gonna be bad because I don't have enough cornstarch, or I won't have any other cornstarch to use. Sadly, I do not have any food coloring, so I cannot dye this. I know I had some in the last video I made. If you have not seen that, please go check it out. But I know I did have some, but I honestly lost it. So I do not know where it is right now. And yeah. Okay. Can you guys please let me know what you guys want to see in my next video? Because I always have trouble finding out what I want to post or what I should post. So yeah, if you could comment down what you would want to see, that would be very helpful for me. And yeah. Also, I forgot to mention, but my parents told me if I reach 50 subscribers, if I reach 100 subscribers at all, then they are gonna buy me a Labubu. And also, if I do, I am also gonna be giving away a Labubu to one of you guys. You just have to be subscribed, and that's it. And I'll choose one of you guys once I hit 100 subscribers. I really hope I can make it to that. I'm trying really hard, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching all the other videos, and if you haven't already, please go check them out. And I will try to post a little more often, but yeah. The slime isn't really slime right now. It's more of a dough, and I don't know if I should add more conditioner or if this is how it's just supposed to be. But yeah, I do kind of want to try to get all this extra stuff off my hands, like how messy they are. So, yeah. My ring has gone through so much already. And it went from gold to silver. Okay, I'm running out of shampoo here. So, yeah. by the way, I have no measurements for this. I'm literally just like putting in and just hoping I put the right amount. But yeah. Why does this honestly remind me of making pizza from scratch if it weren't edible? Keep hearing stuff in my backyard. Probably just some little birdies wandering around in the grass. But yeah. Ugh. My hands are definitely getting messier instead of cleaner. Oh, shoot. Where did this pink come from on my hands? No, honestly, what the heck? What the actual heck? I'm so confused right now. How would my hands get pink? Like, actually, look, it's like literally stained. I don't know what I did to make that happen. I know it's that because there's like some little pink thing right here. Oh no, can you guys see the pink in it? Yeah. But this actually came together really nice. Now, oh wait, you can stretch it a little bit. Wait, this is actually really nice. I really like it. I'm gonna try to clean up my surface for the next one I'm gonna be trying. Okay, I'm gonna maybe take some shampoo. I'm gonna move this out of the way, but I'm gonna grab all of this and maybe like try to make this into part of the slime as well, because I really don't want to leave any of this cornstarch out. Very valuable. This is all the cornstarch I have. But overall, this turned out to be really good. If you don't have glue or activator, I would definitely recommend making this. It can get a little messy though, so I don't really recommend using your hands at first. So maybe just use like a spoon. I know it's taking forever for me to clean this all up, and I'm sorry. And also, thank you so much to all the nice comments that I've been getting. They make me really happy, and I really hope that my videos will continue to put a smile on your guys' faces when you watch them. And yeah. Soon I'm going to be posting a little bit in my shorts, or not in YouTube shorts, so that like it can cover up for me not being able to post too much, because I do have school and homework kind of takes a bit of my day, and I also have to take care of my cats sometimes, like feeding them and stuff. So yeah, I've been trying to post as much as I can in my free time. But yeah, look at how great this is. And you can get a small stretch out of it. I'm just gonna use this as a paper towel instead of an actual paper towel. And there, it's all done. Oh, yeah, never mind. It's just falling. Oh, I just spilled a lot. But that's fine, nobody has to know, right? How many of you guys have seen Wednesday Season 2? I loved it so much, it's crazy, and I'm so sad that's the last one. Yeah. I think that's it for making this cornstarch one. And like I said earlier, I definitely would recommend, if you don't have any glue or activator, yeah. Oh, There was some extra shampoo in here. Great. Now my slime is gonna be too sticky. Yeah, maybe I'm just not gonna put it in there. Okay, that's good enough right now. So yeah, putting it on the podium. Oh, what about the end of the video? I like make stuff out of this. Okay, but anyways, next we have some baking soda and dish soap. So I'm just gonna do what I did before. Now, I've never tried either of these recipes before, so I don't know if they're just gonna make or if this one's just gonna make a huge mess on my table, or like actually do something. And yeah, I kind of have really low expectations for this one because baking soda is a lot thinner than cornstarch, and shampoo is also a lot thinner. Dish soap is a lot thinner than shampoo. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this. Okay. I think I'm gonna add some more baking soda. There's so many clumps in baking soda. Wait, did that come together for a second? I thought I saw it like come up and build a little tower. Does baking soda just naturally do that? Hold on, let me see. No. Okay, so I think we're onto something, guys. This is a bird in the tree behind me. You guys can't see it right there. Okay, wait, this might actually work. Hold up. We're onto something here, guys. We are actually onto something. Oh, I don't know. I feel like the shampoo is mostly just like disintegrating and like messing up the baking soda. But look, it's clumping up. So it's technically a slime. So now that I know this works, we're just gonna do that. Oh shoot. I don't know if that was too much dish soap. I was about to say shampoo, but shampoo's from my other one, which is still standing. And I wanted to cover my masterpiece. My hands are getting so messy for making this. So if you guys do ever try this, please don't raise your hands like me. I'm just very messy. Ah. Okay guys, wait. I had really low hopes, or really low expectations for this. Because like both of the things are very thin and I didn't think they would actually hold up together. Now, would I consider this a slime? No, but we're not done yet. So, I'm not gonna judge this yet. I'm just judging based off of what we have right now. You hear the bird? That bird always wakes me up in the morning. It is so annoying. Like, that is my alarm. It wakes me up more than my actual alarm that I set up. Okay. Mixing this is taking way too long. But we are starting to have something here. I just don't want to waste all this that I already have here. Okay, this is... it kind of stuck to me and then fell. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little more baking soda because this is still sticky. Like, it's sticking to me. Wait, does the baking soda just make it more sticky? I honestly think it did. It's really hard to tell on camera that's sticking to me because it's like not like actually like sticking to me like slime, actual slime does, but it's like sticky. Like, not, it's like melty. That's the word. Okay. Okay, wait. This is coming out better than I expected. Better than I expected. But I keep on seeing these videos to make no glue, no activator slimes. But they literally like either say freeze it for an hour or put it in the fridge for an hour, or just, and then like switch it out with like an actual slime. Because I've tried these and they don't actually work. And they just switch it out with a normal slime that they made with actual glue and activator. And they just say that that's how it looked when they took it out of the freezer. Or it's more than 2 steps. Like, they say it's 2 steps, but they just have more than 2 steps in it, which is very buggy. And then they also make you have like so many weird ingredients that I don't even have in my house. Oh my gosh. This is really crazy. I expected this to at least like not be as sticky as it was, but it did come together. Hey, covering up my masterpiece. How evil. Okay, clumping this all up. Guys, it's like hardly even sticking. What is this? I'm gonna give this one more chance. What happens if I just pour this whole cup on it? Hold on, wait, that would kind of be cool. It's snowing! I've always wanted to play with baking soda like this. Next, we're playing with flour. I'm joking, that's probably not gonna happen. No, my sweater. but it might if I do ever get more subscribers. And if I do ever become a little bigger. I'm so glad you guys have been liking my videos so far. I'm gonna try to make some better ones, and probably Sunday or maybe like Monday or Tuesday-ish, I am gonna be making a new video. Well, I'm gonna try to. If I don't, it's gonna be later that week. But I know next week I'm definitely gonna be posting. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is, but it does have to do with slime, just like all my videos are. Okay, honestly, I think this was sort of a fail. I don't really recommend doing this because it's just a mess and it doesn't even stick together that much. Like, look, it's just all falling apart, and it's also pretty sticky. And also, it's not coming off. And this also isn't like stretchy at all. And I would not consider it a slime one bit. Like, I honestly think that this is not a slime. And I'm gonna grab a paper towel to just clean my hands. Fly. Okay. Shove that to the side. It's my pants. Hold on. Okay, there we go. All better. Now, no, it's drying up a little bit. Probably because it's freezing cold outside, but still. No, this one is honestly so good. Like, this extra stuff is just from this guy. But this is really good. If you don't have activator glue, I know I've said this a lot of times, but I would recommend this, and you should definitely try it. And yeah. I will say, you don't need any measurements to make this. All you have to do is add a lot of cornstarch into a bowl. Then you should probably just add in some shampoo little by little until it becomes a solid like this. Then I would say you can start mixing it with your hands, and it won't make too much of a mess. But yeah. And also, don't do this on top of like a wooden table or something, unless it has like some sort of resin or something on it. Because like I'm doing this on a plastic table, so nothing's gonna be ruined or damaged here. So yeah. I'm gonna just put this away, and then I'm gonna tip it so that it doesn't dry out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next vid. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons and turn on the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.